Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Resource Owner Password Credentials Grant Flow, which is in short called ROPC Flow, which is supported by Microsoft Active Directory. Now, in this flow, it allows an application to sign in the user directly by taking their password. Now, I know a lot of you are already having concerns about this. Now, let me tell you before I go into this flow that Microsoft does not recommend that you use ROPC flow in its official documentation. In most scenarios, it says there are more secure alternatives that are available and recommended, and this is only recommended in a place where you explicitly trust the application with a very high degree of trust. And there are risks that are not that are present in this flow that the other flows do not have it. So you should only use this flow when other secure flows such as auth code grant flow or client credentials flow or device code flow are not viable for your application. So in this flow, what happens is once a user sends a request to the resource provider using the browser, the resource provider basically asks for username and password. Now, the user is going to send the username and password to the resource provider. The resource provider is going to send a request directly to the slash token endpoint along with client ID, client secret, and grant type as grant type is equal to password. Now, just a quick reminder that anywhere where I mention client secret, it is either a secret, which is a textual secret, or it can be a certificate as well. And when the request is sent to the IDP is going to validate that particular information, and it is going to give an access token, a refresh token, and an ID token. If the scope has a parameter as has OpenID as one of the parameter. Now the ID token is actually used to basically get information about this particular user, so that using this particular ID token, the application will learn more about the information about the user, maybe the location of the user, the full name of the user, etc., etc. From a security standpoint, I know all of you have um, already grasped the security risks associated with this. We are typically giving our password to the application, so it all depends on how securely is the application handling the password storing mechanism. So is it storing any password, or is it directly forwarding the password to the IDP, and how the password is being transmitted in the second step, which is it using HTTPS or is it using anything else? It all matters in evaluating the security posture of an application which is using ROPC flow.